Okay, so I've finished my research section now, and now I'm moving on to my planning section. And I was thinking that for my overall magazine, I want it to be a clear mix of a film and fashion magazine. I want there to be a almost red carpet style dress or suit person on the front cover as my main image, but I don't want it to be a long shot. If anything, I want it to be a mid shot to a close shot, and maybe have a smaller image in the bottom right hand corner showing the full dress or the full suit. But I wanted them to be at a, what are they called? Opening for a film, basically, for what they've started. And then on my contents page, I wanted it to be describing the sorts of other films which they've been in, the sorts other films which are also going to be open to the public, and just I really want to be focusing on a bit of mixing and matching fashion. I know for definite I want a double page showing what all of the actresses, or actresses, are doing the morning of their opening for their film. So if that's in their sweats, walking the dog, just casually clothing, I just want to show that everyone can be normal. So yeah, that's my initial thinking at the moment, but it'll probably change. So I'll keep you updated.